Today weather is very, 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 very bad. It started raining at night. Up now, this weather is going to make people become lazy because no one can go to working place when rain is there. While food, except those who have means of transport. That means that work is going to remain for those who have what means of transport. Now, if you don't have it, you're not supposed to work because rain is raining heavily. Now, the rain is going to make people become poor, which is not good. Everyone will keep on being inside. Now, who will chase poverty? Yeah, sure, for sure. Rain is going to make people become poor, which is very, very, very bad. You see, it's not good. Yes, but this rain, we're supposed to look for all possible way of dodging what this weather. Yes, if not like that, people will become poor, which is not good. God has given us energy to work, given eyes to see, leg to move. Now a friend is stopping us. It's very, very bad, my dear brothers and sisters. Yes, that is it. But we should make sure what? Be well organized, well equipped to defeat this weather. Not like that. Yes, you're going to be poor. You shall keep on staying the whole day inside the house is not good. At the end of hunger will come, poverty will come, nothing you have planted, you have not even booked or reported on duty, which is very, very bad. So should we look forward to a possible way of what? For defeating this weather. Thanks.